Parcel margin erosion is hiding in plain sight, siloed across systems, trapped in spreadsheets, and buried in carrier portals. Claims are manual, carrier risk goes undetected, and parcel data is fragmented across systems, costing you time, money, and customer trust. ShipScience starts with a universal parcel data platform, a single source of truth that standardizes tracking, invoices, orders, and claims across carriers, so every team works from the same data. SimpleClaims transforms recovery into an automated workflow, identifying eligible shipments, filing claims, and reconciling payments. ActiveAudit inspects every shipment, flags anomalies, automates disputes, and prepares carrier-ready evidence so teams can resolve issues faster and improve operations. My Next Carrier re-rates your historical shipments against alternative carriers to reveal potential savings and service impact before running an RFP. CarrierWatch gives you network-wide visibility into SLA performance and transit times so you can compare carriers and identify risk across your lanes. Our professional services accelerate time to value, helping you improve rates, set parcel strategy, and turn insights into action. ShipScience, one parcel data layer powering claims automation, continuous audit, carrier strategy, and network performance. Book a demo to see it on your data.